Do you want an easy care hanging basket? This is about as easy as it gets. This is Portulaca, also known as moss roses, also known as purslane. And it is so easy. It's heat and drought tolerant, and it just does beautifully. It loves the full sunshine, so that's something that you really need to know about having a Portulaca hanging basket. It does need to be in the sunshine, and these flowers will open and close with the sunshine. So right now it's getting to be later in the evening and that sun is going down over the woods, so these Portulaca flowers will start closing up pretty soon here. This basket is just made up of the bedding plant type Portulaca, and look how big it got. So this is just 2 packs of Portulaca, and it really spread out. And this purple flower is Scaevola, also known as fanflower, and it's put right in the middle here, and then the Portulaca was planted around it, and look how pretty that Scaevola is poking through with that little bit of purple all over. So these are just bedding plants, so it's also very economical. It's a cheap hanging basket that lasts. A lot of our customers love the Portulaca because a lot of them are weekenders, so they're maybe only up on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that hanging basket is sitting all the rest of the week. It can handle going a lot drier in between waterings because it's almost like a flowering succulent. If you look at these leaves, they're almost like a little succulent. They're full of water, so that's why the Portulaca can handle going drier. Now when it comes to cleanup and care, guess what? We don't touch our Portulaca at all. We just let them be. Now, if you want to go through and deadhead, you can do that. You can go through on these dead flowers and just pull them off. A lot of the times the wind does that for you, but it's really not necessary unless it's kind of bugging you. Go ahead and clean it up if need be. You can fertilize once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and that will help push out these blossoms all summer long. Now, some of the hanging baskets that we grow in our own greenhouses that we have in hanging baskets, that is the trailing type Portulaca, but you can see how big this bedding plant Portulaca got. It's really trailing over just the same. If you're looking for an economical and easy care hanging basket, Portulaca or moss rose, that is for you. If you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds of helpful how-to videos there. And then hop on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website. We have our tips and tricks and blog articles, and of course our Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, which is why these plants look fabulous. That can all be found at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.